So fixing the payment error that you are facing in your app store or your Play Store is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can fix the error of your payment options for your payment options in your app store or Play Store. Whenever you try to pay, you get some sort of error in your Play Store or App Store. The process is pretty basic. Now here you just have to confirm few things. So the first thing that you need to confirm is make sure your account has some balance. Suppose if you want to buy something and you don't have any balance, that could be the reason that they are denying it. The second reason could also be that you have equal amount of money. Suppose you want to buy an app for 1445 and you also have the amount in your bank account 1445. It shouldn't process just because it costs a little bit, a few cents for the transaction fees. So you need to have that extra money in your bank account. If that is not the case, the third solution is that you can try calling them. So you just need to go to the Chrome or Google and type in your bank's name, and with that you have to type in customer service. Suppose I want to do the RBC, the customer services, and if I tap on that, it will take me to this page. Now here, if I tap on these options, I'm just showing you this RBC for an example. It should be your bank's website. And now you will be able to find the contact details. Now you just need to call them and let them know that micro online transactions are not working. So they will probably help you. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can fix your payments or decline on your App Store or Play Store. Hope you guys find this video helpful.